Namaste. This is Professor Dr. Pramod K. Raghav, Professor of Food Technology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's session, yogurt, dairy engineering, BTech, FBT, 6th semester. Yogurt is yogurt, not the dahi or curd. There is a difference between the yogurt as well as dahi and the curd. And let me tell you the difference. The yogurt actually contains Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, whereas curd contains the bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus and Lactobacillus lactis. So that is the basic difference between curd or dahi and the yogurt. Because of this difference in the bacteria, both are different product. Now let me share a screen and I will walk you through that how this curd is, how the yogurt is made and how the yogurt is processed from the what you call it from the milk. So let me see. I'm not finding the screen here, and where did it go? Let me find out where the screen is here. So why the screen is not coming? Sharing, yes, right here. And I am now sharing the screen with you. And let me see. I'm sure that you might be seeing my screen here now. And this is the yogurt. And yogurt is actually yogurt is a form of fermented milk produced in most countries where fresh milk is drunk. It's a fermented product out of the milk. Okay, and let me tell you, yogurt, it is produced by the controlled fermentation of milk by two species of bacteria, as I told in the beginning. Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Lactococcus thermophilus, which is also known as Streptococcus thermophilus. So these are the two bacteria which are responsible for the yogurt. And what happens in the yogurt, the sugar which is available in the milk, which is called lactose, is fermented to the acid, lactic acid. It is fermented to lactic acid, and it is because of this conversion of the lactose into the lactic acid that it is a characteristic yogurt is formed. Okay, and Streptococcus thermophilus brings the pH of the milk down to 5.5, and Lactobacillus bulgaricus converts lactose to lactic acid. So दोनों बैक्टीरिया अपना काम करते हैं. Lactobacillus bulgaricus lactose को lactic acid में convert करता है, and Streptococcus thermophilus, it brings down the pH of the milk up to a level of 5.5. And the two bacteria have mutually stimulating effect on one another. A protolactic enzyme from Lactobacillus bulgaricus breaks down milk proteins into peptides. जो milk proteins हैं वो peptides में convert हो जाते हैं. And these peptides, you can see, and stimulate the growth of Lactobacillus thermophilus, which is in turn produces formic acid and carbon dioxide. And these are the growth stimulant for Lactobacillus bulgaricus. So they are promoting each other's growth, and they are, converting this sugar into lactic acid, lactose to lactic acid, and that's how this yogurt is preparing. And when the yogurt is ready, what is happening? Ultimately, the pH may be as low as 4.2 to 4.4, and the lactic acid coagulates the remaining milk proteins, causing the yogurt to thicken. Yogurt thick हो जाता है क्योंकि lactic acid जो coagulate कर देता है बाकी के बचे हुए proteins को. Acetaldehyde, a metabolic byproduct of both the species, gives raw yogurt its characteristic flavor. जो raw yogurt का एक characteristic flavor आएगा वो because of acetaldehyde होगा. which is a metabolic byproduct है, दोनों species जो मैंने इसके अंदर बैक्टीरिया की यूज की हैं. How it is incubated? Incubation takes 12 hours at 32 degrees Celsius to reach the set point of natural yogurt. Sugar, color, and fruit pulp, etc., is added more commonly to enhance the popularity of this product. You will see strawberry yogurt, you will see banana yogurt, you will see apple flavored yogurt and chocolate flavored yogurt. So many type of flavored yogurt are popular, and they are very popular, and just people buy and eat them. And it is a nutritious dessert actually, and its manufacture is an ideal way of using up Europe's excess milk production. But I have seen it's very popular in Europe and in America, both the countries. People use it a lot. Even in India, people buy and use it a lot. But still in our country, curd is more popular, which is called dahi. Yogurt, some yogurts may receive additional heat treatment to kill off any living bacteria before or after packaging for the consumers. Here you can see the little reactions, how proteins are coming to the peptides. Peptides, Lactobacillus thermophilus, then Lactobacillus bulgaricus, proteolytic enzymes will be formed, and then formic acid plus CO2, and then lactic acid. So, and that lactic acid and both, they are forming acetaldehyde, which is causing a characteristic flavor of yogurt in the yogurt. And that's how it is done. So raw milk is taken, pasteurization. After pasteurization, I'm adding some starter, homogenizing, cooling, and doing the incubation, and the raw yogurt is ready. In this raw yogurt, I'm adding fruit flavor, any type of, other kind of essence, and doing it a heat treatment, and in packaging, and if required, providing a heat treatment after packaging, and the processed yogurt is ready. So you can see here this process flow diagram, which is raw milk to pasteurization to pasteurized milk to a starting, adding the starters, homogenizing, cooling, incubating. Raw yogurt is ready, adding fruit flavor, fruits, flavors, essence, providing heat treatment, packaging, providing heat treatment, and processed yogurt is ready, which you go to the market and buy it and consume it. So that was all about the yogurt making. And now I'm stopping the sharing of the screen. And that's how the yogurt was made. So yogurt is a very good product. It is yet to get popularity up to the maximum extent. In our country, we like more dahi and the product made out of dahi, like lassi, dahi, and if you are just adding some water to this dahi and churning it, or making a chach type of stuff out of it, so that is more popular. But still, yogurt has to be picked up, because yogurt is really, really good for health, same manner as dahi or curd is good for health. So these are some products which are made out of the milk. I have told many products till now, and today it was the turn of telling you how the yogurt is made. So I told, and always remember the difference between yogurt and dahi. Let me repeat one more time. The difference is that your yogurt, it contains Streptococcus thermophilus or Lactobacillus bulgaricus, whereas dahi contains Lactobacillus acidophilus and Lactococcus lactis bacteria. So it is all the difference of the bacteria, all right, and which is making it different than the curd. There is a difference in the taste also. There is a difference in the thickness and consistency also. Yogurt most of the time is consumed as flavored yogurt. Yogurt mixed with some type of fruit, some type of flavors, whereas dahi is consumed most of the time plain. I have hardly seen till now a flavored dahi, and how many people will like that, I'm not sure. So that was all about the yogurt making from the milk, yogurt processing. If you have any question, you can ask me in my YouTube comment box. You can ask me face to face during face to face class. You can write me an email, and I will be more than happy to answer. Always remember the difference between yogurt and the curd, a question which is normally asked students when there is a talk related to yogurt. Yogurt is not dahi, yogurt is not curd, yogurt is different, and dahi or curd is different. So that was all about today's lecture. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. So, hi, I'm, since few more minutes are left, and let us discuss some, various types of yogurt available in the market, because it is not only important to know the technology of making of yogurt, but also it is equally important to know what is available in the market. So you can see the various type of 2-3 types of yogurts is shown here on this screen, which I just shared. Set yogurt, this type of yogurt is incubated and cooled in the final package and firm jelly-like texture, which is your set yogurt. And then steered yogurt on the second diagram, you see, let me see here, this one. This one is the steered yogurt. It is incubated in a tank, and final coagulum is broken by steering before cooling, less firm than the set yogurt. This was the set yogurt. It is less firm than the set yogurt, and like a thick cream. A little reconfirmation of coagulum will occur after packaging. So this is steered yogurt, which has been steered. It is the set yogurt, which is set in the form of a jelly texture. And then third one is the drinking yogurt. So drinking yogurt also has the coagulum broken before cooling. Iska coagulum has already been broken before cooling, and very little reformation of coagulum will occur, and it is in the drinkable form. It is available in the drinkable form. And now let me go to the next one. And here, after drinkable yogurt, there is a frozen yogurt is available here. This frozen yogurt is incubated like steered yogurt, and cooling is achieved by pumping through a freezer like ice cream and has a texture like ice cream. So frozen yogurt, as the name suggests, you feel like that you are eating a ice cream. And then this, if you see this one, this is a concentrated yogurt. And concentrated yogurt, it is incubated like steered yogurt. And after coagulum is broken, some water is boiled off, produces a rough and gritty texture. So this is the, concentrated yogurt, which we call. And flavored yogurt, I told most of the yogurts are the flavored yogurt. Raw yogurt are hardly consumed. So flavored yogurt, flavors are added just before. Yogurt is poured into pots, and it is 50% sugar is generally added also. So these are the some of the type of yogurts, and that's how I told before the yogurt, how it is made. So I'm not going to discuss that again. So that was all about yogurt and yogurt making. And if you have any question, as I said before, also you can ask. So in nutshell, these were the types of yogurt available in the market. Let me list them down again for you. Set yogurt, steered yogurt, drinking yogurt, and then frozen yogurt, concentrated yogurt, and flavored yogurt. So these are 6 types of yogurt which are available in the market. And that's all about the yogurt. Since this was left, so I thought, why not to tell you students the type of yogurt available in the market. So that was it about the yogurt. And just let me stop the sharing of the screen. I stopped the sharing of the screen, and I am just done with this topic, yogurt, finally. So if you have any question, you can ask me, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So that was all about the yogurt finally. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.